Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be showing you how I did this super simple and easy no makeup look. It took me about 5 minutes to get done, so just keep on watching. First off, I'm going to start by using this ice roller. What this does is that it removes dark circles and tightens the pores. It also refreshes and awakens the skin. So I'm going to start rolling in an upward direction. So this will be the base for everything else that's to come. You can even roll it under your eyes to get rid of under eye bags. If you see any redness on the face or under your eye bags, that's completely normal. It will go away in time. So you just want to let that dry, and then afterwards you can move on to the other steps. Also, when the water starts to dry on the entire face, it can gives it a tightening effect also and creates a glow. So I'm just gently patting it in. Okay, so moving on to the eyebrows. So I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil and I'm going to lightly fill in my eyebrows. I'm not going to go heavy on the eyeliner because I want a more natural look. So I'm going to take my comb and just comb out the eyeliner. I'm not going to use any concealer underneath my eyebrows because I think it looks better on me this way. That's just my personal preference. Okay, so for the next step, I'm going to take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just going to gently pat it underneath my eyes, and I'm not going to use a lot. I just want a little bit of it. So about this. Just make sure that it's fully blended in. Okay, so to warm up my face, I'm going to use this bronzer. Let me see if I can find the name of it. Oh, I'm not seeing any name here. So I'm just gonna take this bronzer, and just to warm up my face some more, I'm just gonna add it on my forehead area. Okay, so I'm just gonna dab it in the bronzer. And also I'm going to apply it on my nose also. Moving on to mascara. So I'm going to just add some mascara on my lashes. Hold on, let me get my mirror so I can see properly. I'm going to add 3 coats first, and then, but slowly first. So I'm going to do 1 coat first and then let it dry, and then do number 2 and 3, coats 2 and 3, I should say. Okay, so when you're applying the mascara, you just want to gently and slowly apply it so it doesn't get messy. So I'm just going to do the same thing for the other eye. So this is coat 2. I noticed that when I do this technique, it gives me like fake eyelash look that I love. So you can try it out and see if it does the same for you. So this is the final coat. Moving on to my favorite part, blush. So I'm using this NYX blush in the color Rose Garden, and I'm just going to apply it on my cheeks. I just really love using blushes because it just gives you a little feminine, you know, dainty look that I love, and it just makes you feel so elegant. So I just love this. So just blend it out properly so that it just looks natural, like you're just naturally blushing. Next up, I'm going to add some highlighter, and I'm using Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. I'm not gonna use this too much because it's really light for my skin tone, so I'm just gonna dab my fingers in it and just pat it on my nose. So since I got a little bit of mascara on the corner of my arm, I'm going to use this concealer to clean it up. Doing the same thing on the other side. You can also add some underneath your eyebrows. And the final part is lip gloss. I'm not going to use any lipstick today. I just want a very simple and natural look. This will be my everyday look minus the concealer because I don't normally use concealer. But for the purpose of this video, I just chose to add it in. So I'm going to use my brush and just blend everything in to get rid of any loose powder. So I'm just blending everything. Okay, so that completes this no makeup look. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you can also try this technique that I did. It's super simple, super easy, and I also get a lot of compliments when I do this. So thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.